I can get it.
No, that's cool. Bag it up.
How you back it up?
The other way. I'll hit the curb, boy. So I gotta get my camera on so I can, because I want to see out of the camera on top of the truck and how good those headlights actually help the camera as far as the view, because it's shooting HD. But we'll see. I come this way. Now keep going, I'm gonna turn my light on. All right, stop. Pause right there.
The new
HD camera. Hang on, let me see. Let me show the undercarriage of that. Hold on, boy, stop. Oh yeah, you can see it moving when you do that too. Okay. Come towards the truck. Come towards the camera.